Hey guys, it's Prime Tom. We're back with another recipe. Today we're making apple nachos. These are super easy and great for a late night snack or to just spice up the winter months indoors. Let's get right into the recipe, but before we do, if you want notifications of my next upload, just go hit my logo in the bottom right to subscribe. Alright, now for the ingredients. You will need 2 green apples, a bag of pretzels, caramel or caramel, however you say it, blocks. You can find this in the candy aisle. 1/4 of a cup of water, white chocolate or white chocolate chips, and your favorite chocolate bar. I used a Crunch bar. Now let's get right into it. As you can see, I sliced up my green apples into thin quote-unquote chips, and just make sure you cut out the core and the seeds. Then we want to add our caramel to a small pot with boiling water to melt the caramel into liquid form. Then I took my white chocolate chips and melted them in the microwave to get a liquid form easily. Now we can begin to prepare our nachos. Throw on a layer of white liquid chocolate, then a layer of caramel. Then add your pretzels. Then you can break up your chocolate bar and add that to the tops of the nacho. And then we finish off the nachos with another layer of white chocolate. There you have it, apple nachos. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and let me know down in the comment section below which way you prefer to say caramel or caramel. Thanks again, and I hope to see you in the next video.